Hi friends, my name is Jordan and you're watching Gio and Dan.
Someday you'll know. I already know what I'm going to say. I've been feeling this way for far too long.
Thank you all for being here. If you're new here on Gio and Dan, we focus on all things home. So home decor, craft tutorials, organizing, everything home. Today's video, you guys, is another organizing video, and there's another one after it as well. It is the beginning of the year, and it was kind of nice to spend quality time on these spaces that have needed it for quite a while. So we will have more organizing videos coming very soon, and we will also have a bunch of decorating videos that are coming. My daughter's birthday is coming up, and for her birthday, we are going to redecorate her room, and I'm so excited about it. So, this video is the organization and cleaning of her room before we go through with the redecorating. I wanted to make sure that we had everything organized and in their spots. She just got a desk in her room, and it was a lot. It was becoming her space to throw everything. So we went through and organized everything and made it so that it's more easily accessible for her, but also so she knows exactly where everything goes. And then we wanted to do the room makeover for her birthday. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Let's get into it. This is our third room, so this is what we are working with in the beginning. So let me show you. So bed, decor. She kind of already had it decorated from the time when we had first done her room, but we are going to change up all of the decorations. She's kind of wanting to go a different route, I believe. Right?
Yeah, I want to go like oceanic or something.
Oceanic. So we will see what we come up with. And all of the decorations are going to be made by us. It'll be great. As you can see, the floor, it's disgusting. But this is her bookcase. As you can see, things stacked underneath, things stacked everywhere. It's a lot. And then my husband decided to give her a desk. I was on board for a desk, but this is not a desk. This is a table. So we may be switching out finding a smaller desk that will fit better in her room, because she's got a queen bed. It really takes up most of the space and she needs a little more space. But as you can see, it's become a bit of a clutter zone. Everything's all over the place. So we're going to go through, organize bins, make it easy for her to be able to find things and easy for her to be able to put things away. She's got her nightstand that's also pretty messy. She's been using this as her chair, not working. I mean, guys, just stuff everywhere. Me as a clean freak is having a panic attack just even being in here. So, clothes everywhere, toys everywhere. We put her dresser in here just because she didn't have a lot of space before. We may need to change that around, but all of her clothes hanging, everything everywhere. We need a shoe thing for her to be able to put shoes in. She has one. It needs to be a little more accessible. And then we got things up there, things up there. That's her keepsake box, which that probably will end up staying. But that's kind of what we're working with. It's going to be a lot of work, but I hope you will stick around and see what it turns out, because it's going to be very, very nice in the end. Please ignore my popsicle in my hand as I am making the bed. I feel like such an idiot for having a popsicle in my hand while I'm making the bed.
So sick of waiting for nothing, when all I want is to hold you close. And all my stupid friends try to bring me to my senses, but I'd rather be illogical. Recalling you, I can't let go. We had our chances to patch things up again, and I can't believe that you let it slip somehow. So I get a little drunk on a Friday night with my friends, staying up all night so I don't just lay and think about you. It's okay, but I'm all messed up. Don't know what to do to forget about you. So I get woo, yeah, I get woo. The blurry vision is helping when I'm stumbling in the dark. As soon as I'm feeling something, I just take another shot. And all my stupid friends try to bring me to my senses, but I wanna stay this numb tonight so I don't have to think about it. We blew our chances to patch things up again, and I can't believe that you left me.
We're trying really hard to downsize, as there's a possibility that we'll be moving into a smaller space. But not only that, kids seem to collect so much stuff, and I am a clean freak and a minimalist, and so all of the stuff stresses me out. So we went through drawers and got rid of most of the things in the drawers except for the things that were important to her, that then we end up organizing and putting in bins later.
I just can't let go, even if I want to. No, I can't let go, 'cause baby, I just want you. So I get a little drunk on a Tuesday night, call my friends, staying up all night so I don't just lay and think about you. It's okay, but I'm all messed up. Don't know what to do to forget about you. So I get a little drunk on a Friday night with my friends, staying up all night so I don't just lay and think about you. It's okay, but I'm all messed up. Don't know what to do to forget about you. So I get.
So we got these small drawers from Walmart, but as we were doing organizing, we realized that we needed some bigger drawers. So you see me labeling all of the little drawers, but later on in the video, you'll see that we switch to the larger drawers and we move the labels over and all of the things inside over into those larger drawers.
But it probably won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive into.
Since my daughter now has a queen bed, she only had 2 pillows, so we ended up buying 2 more pillows from Amazon, and I will link that down below. But we fluffed them up and then put the covers on them, and it just made the bed look that much better with the 4 pillows.
It doesn't even make sense why we try to fight it. Every time that we touch, the room caught on fire. We could blame it on the wine, but we know that we will both be lying. I wish I didn't want you. I was doing just fine, the way that it was. Then you hand me these emotions, didn't want them, but I guess that I'm stuck with them. They could go away, but I know they won't, and I should let it be. But I'm gonna dive into you. And maybe I'll try, but what can I do? And it will be alright to let me down. I'd rather we try than let these feelings slide. So I'm gonna dive into you. 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 Yeah, I'm gonna dive into you.
It doesn't even make sense why I think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this.
But I'm gonna dive into you. And maybe I'll try. What can I do? And it will be alright to let me down.
One thing that I love about her desk is that she has secret little shelves on the side of the desk that you can't see. So I put several bins that were labeled with her craft stuff on the side, and I'm just madly in love with it. It's not in my view, and it's easy and accessible to her.
Dive into you.
Aren't you tired of the drama? You use your words like they are knives. I don't need that type of drama and trying to be tough all the damn time. You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong, I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on and shoot me down. I will always get up again. You're looking at me so cold. Get over yourself, are you for real? Why are you looking at me so cold? One's love is now we're enemies. You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong, I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on and shoot me down. I will always get up again. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on and shoot me down. I will always get up again.
I complicate things. One of my many skills. I'm making things up, all in my mind, 'cause I analyze their body language. I hear every change in their tone. Maybe they hate me, somehow I blame me. My mama said, that's just the weight of the world. It's not personal, it's just how it works. Don't be angry for too long or get burned, 'cause that's just the weight of the world. Shake it off. Now it's personal, it's just how it works. Shake it off. Now that's just the weight of the world. got no invitation last night. I analyze their body language. I hear every change in their tone. Maybe they hate me, somehow I blame me. My mama said that's just the weight of the world. It's not personal, it's just how it works. Don't be angry for too long, I'll get burned. 'Cause that's just the way of the world. Now, shake it off. Now, shows to know it's just how it is. Shake it off. Now, that's just the way of the world.
Thank you all so much for watching this video. It means so much to us. You guys really have no idea how much it means. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. We are so close to 1,000 subscribers, and when we get there, we're going to do a giveaway for the people that are subscribed. We'll do a live stream once we hit 1,000, and yeah, it just makes it so that we can continue to make these videos, which I love. If you are interested in any of our home decor, our craft kits, our website. We are working on Valentine's, and hopefully that launch will be up very soon. But anything used in this video for storage was either from Amazon, and any of those, we are an Amazon affiliate, so I will link those down below. We get pennies for advertising those, but I will put them down below in the description so that you guys can go get those. And then the rest of the stuff was from Walmart, so we're not affiliated with them. If you want any of the things, you can go to Walmart. But thank you so much for watching this video, and until next time, we'll see you later. Bye!
Someday you'll know. Someday you'll know. Already know what I'm going to say. I've been feeling this way for far too long.